Very good evening, friends. Friends, please confirm am I audible to all and all of you can see my screen? Yes, finally I am here, friends. Once again, very good evening. This is your instructor Anand Sharma. I don't know what was wrong. I was not able to connect to this Zoom, but finally, yes, I am here and I'm audible to all and screen is also visible. Perfect. Welcome all friends. Welcome to the R with the instructors. And today also we will discuss more about the Trade Tiger. We will dive more into the Trade Tiger, how to use this Trade Tiger. So in the last session, we have discussed few basic things about the Trade Tiger. Today, I will discuss or I will teach you more about the settings. Then I will take you or I will teach you how to open charts, how to load different charts, how to open multiple charts, and how to save the layout. And after that, I will also show you how to place order using charts. Okay. Yes. Can we get the recording of the last session? For sure. Yes. Kiran Kumarji, just talk to your support team. They will help you how to get the recordings. MSCT is not part of this session, Vinodji. Can we get somewhere the shortcuts of Trade Tiger? For sure, Nilkanji, definitely yes, I will show you. Please show how previous open and please show how have previous open and closing, which means Anuradhaji based on the candlestick, based on the chart. Is that what you are asking? So meanwhile, let me just log into my Trade Tiger. Support team mail ID and contact number. How to put bulk order, that is 2 or 3. For sure, Arunji will do this. Yes, does it have a live option chain? Which one, Rajiv ji? Yes, it does have live option chain. Absolutely, yes, it is there. So I joined late. What is the topic? So Navneet ji, very good evening. Welcome here. Topic is Trade Tiger Platform Immersion Part 2, and we will discuss more in details about the Trade Tiger. Yes, when I put various indicators like SA, WA, MACD, how to save that format so that every time I need not go to incorporate them. And for example, I want 3D EMA, 13D EMA in my chart. For sure, will do. Yes, so I will answer all these questions when I start with this layout, chart layout. So basically, let's quickly start with the settings first. Okay, how to say average EMA? For sure, I will show you everything. ME broker and Excel trading. So Dheerajji, now see, basically what we do, we usually place our order with the help of this platform. We trade or we place our order with the help of this bracket order window. We don't trade with the help of this AMI broker or through this Excel sheet. But yes, these facilities are available. So maybe if you want to more in detail about that, what you can do is you can just ask for the help. Yes, so there is the option there, help button is there, and here you can just directly do the live chat with the Trade Tiger team. Some of the person will answer your question, or if someone is not there to answer your question, what you can do is you can just drop them a mail. Yes, so again it is there. See, Trade Tiger remote support. So how to activate AMI broker, how to activate Excel trading, you can just drop them a mail and request them to activate your Excel trading or AMI broker trading. Yes, we do have something like this, Dhirajji. See, it is there. See, beta tools. If you just go to beta tools, then you have this option here, request activation for API, then snap to Excel with order. Yes, then AMI broker bridge is there, request activation, help FAQ, schedule a training. Yes, request activation for advanced option chain is also there. Yes, so friends, let me just tell you very frankly, I don't know anything about this, because what we do as an trader, we use or we place very basic order with the help of this bracket order. That is all enough for us. Okay, so now see what I showed you. If you have any question on this, you can just drop them a mail. You can ask the Trade Tiger team to help you on this part. And everywhere it is written there, help FAQ. So maybe what you can do is you can just go there, click on this view information page, click on this view demo, then again come to this tab to Excel view information page and view demo. You can find some, or you can just explore this little later. Perfect. So can we use our strategy of OTA with that, right? I don't know, Dheeraj, basically, see, we need chart, we need candlestick chart. So if candlestick chart is there, absolutely yes, we can do anything with our strategy. But if candlestick chart is missing, then it will be difficult for us. Because why candlestick? Because candlestick gives us a very precise decision where to go long, where to go short, where to place your trade, what will be your stop loss, what will be your target, everything. Okay, done. Perfect, friends. So now see, in the last session we have discussed about this home tab, we have discussed about this market watch tab. Now see, you know how to load this market watch. So click on this NSE, then big trade plus, and it will load the big trade plus list. So see, I just set it by, okay, let me just do this settings, user settings. So now we will start with the settings first, and let me just make it default all, save all. Okay, and same thing I will just do with this settings, then graph settings. Yes, and I will also make it default and save. Done. So now let's start with this setting part. Okay, can you please cover order advance DD question can be asked in the end? Absolutely yes, Sridharji. So I just started with the set with this topic, and I will take all the questions at the end. For sure, will do. Malingam sir, absolutely yes. Okay, now see, so let's start with this part, which is settings. So what you need to do, or what are the important settings for the Trade Tiger? So when you click on this, when you click on this settings, it will give you different options. And first option is user settings. So in this user settings, what you need to do is when you are using this Trade Tiger, so in general tab, you have this option here where it is written inactive minutes, enter minutes. It is already there 10 minutes as your by default inactive minutes. Now, what does it mean? So simply it means, let's say if you are not using Trade Tiger, okay, you are just watching, you pulled up one chart and you're just watching that chart. You're just waiting for the price to come in your demand area or to come in your supply area. You're just patiently waiting for the price to come in a demand area. You saw, okay, price came into the demand area, and now you're observing price started reacting, and immediately you want to place that trade. Everything is there on the chart. You have placed your entry line, you have placed your stop loss line, you have placed your target line. But once you just moved, or just click on the mouse cursor, this mouse button, left and click, immediately it gave you a pop-up that your Trade Tiger is logged. Your Trade Tiger is correct. Your Trade Tiger is locked. So to avoid such situation, now it will take time to log in back to the Trade Tiger and then place that order. By that time, it will, or your entry, you will miss your entry. You will miss your perfect entry. So yes, so make sure 999. Make sure 999. Then what is next important settings in this general tab? Then the next important setting is show market depth. We don't need this market depth. Just follow my mouse cursor where my mouse cursor is. So we don't need this market depth window. So usually whenever we double click on any chart, or on any script, we directly want it to open as a chart. We don't want this market depth window. So untick on this market depth window. Now see, even if you don't want this ribbon here, ribbon for home, market watch, reports, if you don't want ribbon, you can click on this hide ribbon. Okay, once done, what next is beep on trade. Beep on trade. I will tell you, Pratik ji, what is the importance of this best 5 buyer and best 5 seller. Okay. Can we option to save changes we make in the indicators as our custom settings, for example, color, thickness, and tool like moving average and save made changes as my custom default. Next time I use this tool on any chart, it should use the custom changes I have made. Absolutely, yes, Amit, we can do that. So when I take you on the chart, I will answer this question. The next is beep on trade. Why we need this? Why beep on trade? Then definitely is, let's say if you have placed some order in the system and you're just working around, you're just doing something, some other task. You're not in front of the trade tiger. Maybe you are there on the same laptop you're working on or on the same desktop you're working on, but still you're not just watching the charts or you're just watching the script. You're doing something else. So immediately once your order get triggered, you will get the sound, beep sound. So you will come to know that yes, you have placed some order, and you will just quickly go there and you will check which order got triggered. Yes, that is why it is important to have this beep on trade. Once done, click on the save button. Whatever changes you are making, always make sure to click on this save button. Okay, this is for the user settings. Now what next? In this user settings, we have this option here. All of you can see this market watch. It is written there, market watch. Yes. Now everybody know what is this market watch. What market watch simply is what I have in the background. This is called as market watch, where we add scripts. That is called as market watch. Now in this market watch, see, let me just close this window. Okay. Now in this market watch, we do have many unwanted columns, right? Last up price, last down price, last traded price, last traded quantity. These are not useful for us. Pivot 1, pivot 2, or resistant 1, resistant 2, support 1, support 2. We don't need this. Correct? Even we don't need this sector industries name. We don't need the company name. So how to avoid this? Yes, so what one can do is go to settings, then user settings. In this user settings, click on this market watch. And here, whatever you don't want, just untick that. Let's say if I don't want sector industries, I will untick this. Then what I don't want after this, so I don't want last updated time, traded date. Even I don't want quantity, because that if I need, I can just anytime bring that with the help of show volume or volume plus. So I don't need that. Total buy quantity, total sell quantity. Again, I don't need this, but if you want to, you can just keep this, no problem at all. OI difference, we don't need absolutely, as we are trading in the cash market. Company name, previous open, previous high, low, close, quantity, all these things are I don't need. So let's quickly untick everything. DATR I want, yes, I will just keep this. DATR I want. Now see, once you have done this, what you can do is just click on the save. Okay, now let's say if even if you want to change the background of this, see, once I clicked on the save, see, all the unwanted columns gone now, nothing is there. So Giridharji, these are the columns we need. Most important column what we need is current market price and percentage change. That is the most important thing what we need. Rest, if you want to delete everything, that is absolutely okay, no problem at all. But still, yes, these are the columns we may need sometimes just to check where is the bid price, where is the offer price, what is the bid quantity, what is the offer quantity, what is the open, high, low, or close. Though everything is available on the chart. If you don't want this, even you can remove everything. Yes, just keep current market price and percentage and script name. That's it. No need, Amardeepji, because see, our approach is very different from the technical analysis. It is very different approach. So we don't need this. Okay. Sir, whenever I use double average tool, every time I open new chart, I have to go through all process I can. I will show you, Dheeraj, how to save the layout. So that is little later. Okay. What is the difference between save and save all? So, Makesh ji, now once you click on this save, it will just save for that window only. And once you click on save all, so whatever changes you have made in the another tab, everything will get saved. That is the save all. Okay, perfect. Now see, once this done, again I just want to go to the settings, then this user settings, and see, this is the save all here. This is save all. So see, let's say if I have done some changes for this general tab, and if I click on the save, then I just went to this research and I did something here. I changed something here, and then I will click on the save. Then I will go to research legends. If I want to do something, I will just make some changes here. Yes, and then I will click on save, then market watch. So once everything is done, then click on the save all. So this is the option here, Sanjay ji, save all. This is the option. Okay, perfect. Now see, even if you want to change the background color, foreground color for the market watch, that is also possible. So it is there. If you just want to change the foreground color, click on this. If you want to change the background color, click on this. If you want to change the up color, down color, resistance, we don't need. That is all okay. Yes. Then just scroll it down. Now many times you find the font of the script or price is very small. If you want a larger font, so what you can do is you can increase the font. Now how to increase the font? So here in the on the right hand side of this window, scroll it down. There you will get this option, font setting. Click on this font setting. It will take you on the new window. It will give you a new window like this. So here you can change the font. You can change the style of your font, maybe italic, bold italic, anything you want. Yes, then you can also change the size of your font, 11, 12. So let me just do this. Okay, let me just click on this bold and let me just make it 12. Now if I click on this okay, then save. See, in the background everything changed. Now all these scripts are in bold letters and size of the font is 12 now. So it is clearly visible to everyone, correct? It is clearly visible to everyone. This is how you can change the market settings. Is there any question on this, on the settings? No, perfect. Okay. Markesh ji, yes. Do you have any question? Yes, Sanjay ji. What is your question? Can you explain support one S2 R1 R2 color settings? So now see, we had this option here. Again, if I just go to settings, then user settings. Okay. Go to settings, user settings, and then market watch. Here, these are the options for support one, support two, support three, resistance one, two, and three. Now, what are these? So see, on the left hand side, all of you can see this option here: pivot resistant 1, pivot resistant 2, pivot resistant 3, then pivot point, pivot support 1, pivot support 2, pivot support 3. Yes, it is a formula based resistant and support. It is not candlestick based resistant and support. It's just a formula based resistant and support. Now if you want to know the formula for that, you can simply just find in the search engine formula for resistance support. There are lots and lots of free tabs available through which if you can find the support and resistance. What you just need to do, you just need to fill the open, high, low, and close. It is based on that. Though I know the formula, I can also show you the formula, but it will take time. It is just it is just that only. So what it means, let's say if price hits the support one, so it will show the that color. It will just change the color of the support in this. It will give this color to that price. Yes. Then if it hits the support two, it will give that this color to that price. Got it? What is this support and resistance color? Yes. How can we identify downward tables having research and other tables attached to main screen? I will show you. That will happen only in that cell. It is correct. If it is not there, it will not show you or it will not give that color. I will check the energy. Can open any chart and apply average EMA and say, I will show you this. Yes, I will take you on the chart and then I will answer this question. Support color again for sure, Pradaji. Now let me add this: pivot 1, pivot 2, pivot 3, support 1, support 2, support 3, save and save all. Okay, now these are the colors. So see what happened here. So today what happened when price hit this price, when price point hit the resistant one for this script, for this script. So it just gave the color here. 275.55 was the resistant, third resistant. Price gave this color, dark green color, to this resistant 3. Yes, if it is the pivot support point 1, it will give this color to the support, this support, this price. That is it. So usually we don't need this support and resistance. So let's untick this from the market watch window. So let's do this, untick everything, save and save all. Okay, so now you know how to make changes in the market watch settings, how to increase the font, how to change the background color, and how to change the foreground color. What next? Not, it is not important at all. Yes, what next? That is why we just removed it from our market watch. We don't need this. DATR, it is same, daily average true range. No, Dhirajji, there is no access restriction. Or yes, we do have some restriction for the global market watch, but it is only for, I mean, in one single market watch, we can add 50 scripts. DATR and ADR needed. Now see, let's say if I am on this market watch and I just want to know what is the ATR for Asian Paint. So simply I can see here ATR for Asian Paint is 47 rupees. If I just, if I want to check the ATR for Bata India, so I know the ATR for Bata India is 34.65. So it is good. Okay, so once this is done for the user settings, the next important is graph settings. So let's quickly go there and check the graph settings. I will show you, Ajay ji. So before that, before we start with the chart, let's start with this, or let's check this, how to make changes in graph settings, or what are the important graph settings. So in general, now if you want background color as a light color background, so you can choose your color here. So let me just choose this white as my background color and black as my background, foreground color. Then apply. Then graph up color, I will just take slightly darker green. This is my graph up color. Graph down color is perfectly okay for me. Graph volume color, mostly we don't use volume, but still, let's say if I want to, so in the lighter, or in the if my background color is white, I need a darker shade for the volume, for the volume. Then apply. Yes, now chart type, what chart type we need, we use, what chart type we use? Absolutely yes, candlestick. Why candlestick? Because it gives us a precise entry point, stop loss point, and target point. It gives us a clear indication of who won the battle between bears and bulls. So that is why we use candlestick. Then graph link by. Yes, in even in this graph link by, we always use this graph link by script. So we'll click on this script. After this, we need data window. What is this data window? So on the right hand side of chart, there we have a column where it is written there open, high, low and close, and whatever other indicators if we add there, like DATR, like moving average, like ATR, average to range, like volume, everything we can read on the right hand side of this. Yes, Anjanji, it is there. Heikinashi chart is also there. Then point and figure chart is not there. Point and figure chart is not there. Renko is there. We can. How to save the indicators on the chart, I will show you a little later when I take you on the charts. Okay, now see what is this bid and ask panel. So again, you have this option here if you want this bid and ask panel on your chart. So this is optional. If you want, you can just keep tick on this. What is the use of this bid and ask panel? So when you just open the chart there, it will give you the first buyer and first seller, who wants to buy or who wants to sell, at what price and at what quantity. So it will give you that information. So that is the reason why we don't need market depth window. Let's say if you want to plan day, I mean type 3 entry, you are waiting for the price to come inside the zone. Price came inside the zone, and now I started reacting. It started reacting from the zone. So you just want to check at what price best seller is standing. So if you want to buy at that price, you can immediately place your order at market and you will just buy at market. So that is why it is important to have a show bid and ask panel. But this is again optional. If you want, if you don't want, you can just untick this. Now next is, okay, before I just show you the next, Mahantesh ji, if I get time, for sure I will show you. Okay, what exactly is this? Please share what is type 1, type 2, and type 3 entry. Anupam ji, in this class, it will be difficult for me to answer that question. But maybe sometime in another class, definitely I will help you. Yes, how to prepare our favorite script list window and save it permanently. I will show you that for sure. Okay, so that is something what I have in my today's agenda. Okay, yes. So what next? What next? Chart data. Now in this chart data, we have this option here, show pre-open data, show post-close data, adjust with market hours, limited number of text. Now see, in this, we don't want this pre-open data, even we don't want this post-close data. Yes, but this is very important for us, adjust with market hours. If we untick this adjust with market hours, market will show that it started at 9 o'clock and first candle of 60 minutes will close at 10 o'clock. So that is why it is important to have this adjust with market hours. Okay. Yes. What next? Now there is a chart toolbar. So what is this chart toolbar? Yes, friends. So when I take you on the charts, definitely yes, I will answer all the questions related to charts. Meanwhile, everybody, please pay attention here. Okay, now what is this chart toolbar? So on the charts, in the toolbar you have few options. Yes, now options which you are using very frequently, you can just keep that option reachable quickly. You can just find that option, you can click on it, you can just apply that option on the chart. So this is for that, which is chart toolbar. Now we need demand zone, we need supply zone, we need entry line, stop loss line, target line, change interval, mouse pointer, chart type. Let's say if you want to click on bar chart, candlestick chart, Heikin chart, you can do this also. Then in this tools, again, see, these are the tools. But even in these tools, we don't use everything. So let's say if you want to use this retracement line, you can click on this retracement line. If you want to use this free line frequently, you can use this free line, then horizontal line, then trend line, then vertical line. Maybe if you are using symbol, maybe you're using text. Yes. So whatever you want, you can just select everything. Okay, then just come here, Fibonacci extension. Now these are the settings or colors or thickness we can increase and decrease through this. Okay, please reply. Okay, just a minute, Sachinji, on what question you want my reply. I just need to find your question. Where it is. Sachinji, can you please paste your question once again? Acha, this is the question. I missed the session till now. Would we get a recording of the session? Absolutely yes, Sachinji. So recording is on. Definitely yes, you will get the recordings. No worries. Okay, done. Now what next? Now see, those though basically we don't use this Fibonacci extension. But let's say if you want to use this Fibonacci extension, then what you will do here, in the white background you won't able to see if you draw this Fibonacci extension on the white background. So definitely you need a different color. You need different color. So just click on this, select your favorite color and apply. Then come to this horizontal line. Again, this horizontal line is in white color. Yes, friends, please have patience. I will answer all the questions. Just give me some time. I will give chance to everyone to ask your question. Yes. Yes, friends, please pay attention here. So horizontal line. Now see, this is a horizontal line. I like this color. So I will choose this color and then apply. I will increase the thickness of this line by 2. Maybe if you want to change the style of this line, that is also possible. We have a few options available here. I like solid, so I don't need to change this. I will just keep this solid as it is. Then text. Yes, many times we want to write down on the charts. So there what we will do, we'll click on this color and we'll change the color here. Apply, done. If you want to change the font, that is also possible. Click on this font and whatever your favorite font is, you can choose that font. Increase the font size. So let me just keep it 15 so that it will be easily visible to everyone when we do this uh, uh, webinars. Yes, font weight. Again, in this font weight, you can change bold, italic, regular, strike out, underline, anything you want. Yes, Surinder ji. Draw border. Basically, we don't draw borders, but still, why to use this yellow color? I don't like yellow color, especially on the chart. Yes, so I will just make this. Now see, there is the option which are shown here as a tool replication. Now, what is this tool replication? So, tool replication simply it means, now let's say if you have written something on the higher time frame chart, by default it is replicating on the lower time frame chart. Correct? If you write something on the daily time frame chart, you can see on 15-minute time frame chart, 5 minutes time frame chart, 1 minute time frame chart. It is replicated on the lower time frame chart. But whenever you write on the lower time frame chart, it doesn't get replicated on the higher time frame chart. Absolutely, yes. Now see, in that case, if you want whatever you wrote on the lower time frame chart, that has to be replicated on the higher time frame chart. So for that, what you should do, keep on this or click on this specific interval replication. Then click on this advanced setting. Select everything, which means now if you write down on the daily time frame chart, that will be get replicated on the quarterly time frame, half yearly time frame, weekly time frame, everywhere you can see that. Yes. Then click on this intraday also. So maybe if you write down on the 0 minute time frame chart, that will get replicated on all the time frames. Now see, there are few time frames which are not available there, like 240 minutes, 180 minutes, 125 minutes, 75 minutes. We do use this different time frames also. Yes, we do use these different time frames. Yes, now these time frames are not available there, which means let's say if you write something on the 75 minutes time frame chart, and if you just try to find that on the daily time frame chart, it will not get replicated on the high time frame because this option is not available there. So in that case, you need to add some intervals. Now how to add this intervals? So this is the option here, enter custom interval. So here in this enter custom interval, first interval I would like to add is 75. So I will write down this number 75 and then add. Then next is 125. And then again click on this add. Then next is 180. Again click on this add. Next interval is 240. So again I will click on this add. Once done, now apply. Now whatever you write on the lower time frame chart, automatically it will replicate on the high time frame chart. You will get to see this on the high time frame chart also. I will show you for sure. Who asked me this? Manishji. Definitely yes. Okay, next is trend line. Now see, again if you want to change the trend line color, so now see what this settings, I'm doing the settings in front of you so that you will get the complete hang of everything, how to change this settings. Then now I will do this little quicker. So free line, and I will select this color for free line, apply, and maybe hi, this is perfect. Okay, now see, one important thing. Now, friends, when you are using this free line, okay, many times traders do ask me this question, students do ask me this question, that when they are using this free line, automatically it get extended on the right hand side. Sometimes it get extended on the left hand side. If you don't want it to get extended on the right hand side or left hand side, what you can do is untick this. Okay, these are the option here. Untick this so that you can use this line freely from one point to another point. It will not get extended after that. Next is symbol. Again, I want a symbol in the darker color because my background is light. Retracement, quickly, I will just change the color to black. I will increase the thickness. Then vertical line, yes. So as I change the color for horizontal line, I will also change the color for vertical line. Entry line, I will just make it blue because in the white background, yellow color is not clearly visible. So I just made it blue. Now what next? Now I will come to this demand zone. Yes, I will come to this demand zone. So Arunji, we don't use pitchfork. That is why I did not touch that pitchfork because it is not useful for demand and supply trader as we are a retracement trader. Okay, I can't find the demand and supply zones marked across different time zones. This is very, this is even after mentioning the interval separately in settings. Can you please assist on it for sure? Now I'm just showing you that part. Now, if you want to change the color of demand zone, that is also possible. Click on this demand. You can change the color of demand. Then you can increase the thickness. So let me just choose this as my color, apply, and I will also use this, change this foreground color, and I will use this apply. Okay, what next? Now see, if you want your zone marked on the lower time frame chart should get replicated on the high time frame chart. So same thing, same settings you need to do what we done, what we did for the text. So specific interval replication, click on this advanced setting, select everything, whatever is there, select everything. Yes, if few intervals are not there, you can add those intervals like 240 minutes, 180 minutes, 125 minutes, and 75 minutes. Add those intervals and then apply. Yes, opacity parameter, it means Arunji, how darker you want that zone should be. That is opacity. Yes, I'm not able to see demand and supply zone option. Why is that? Pradeep ji, just cross check. Do you have this Ignite tab? If it is not there, later you can just talk to your support team, your support person. He or she will help you. Yes, I have a meeting now, so leaving this. For sure, Sachin ji. Yes, but we always need analyze on the higher time frame chart and take trade in the lower time frame. Why specific higher to lower is correct. That is correct, Pratik ji. But see, many times what we do when we draw a lower time frame zones on the lower time frame chart. Yes, and when we go on the higher time frame chart, we just want to check or just cross check where is that lower time frame zone located on the higher time frame, high on the curve, low on the curve. So at that point in time, this is very useful. Okay. Yes. I will show you, Neeraj, for sure. Then next, click on this supply zones, and same thing for supply zones. You can just change the color of supply. I mean, the color of the supply zone. Yes. So I will just choose this color, apply, and for this, I will choose this color, red, apply. Then next, specific interval replication. Again, advanced setting and mark everything. Mark everything and apply. Yes, style, yes. So even you can change the style. So see, it gives you a border, Aniruddha, it gives you a border when you draw a zone. So there you can choose the different style, how it wants to look. It is for the appearance. Okay. Yes. Long back, I was shown a method of changing the color of base candles. I have forgotten how. I will show you for sure. Vijayji, I will show you. You can skip color changing method every time. Yes, we can. Now see, this is a tick average line. We don't need this tick average line. Previous line, we don't need this. Previous open line, we don't need this. Previous high line and previous low line. Again, we don't need this, but yes, sometimes when market gives you a gap up opening or gap down opening, and you just want to know if that is a outside gap or if that is a inside gap at that point in time, maybe if you want, you can use this previous high line and previous low line. Yes, but basically other lines we don't use. One very important setting is this mouse pointer. So always make sure to keep this mouse pointer as a tracker ball. Yes, and change the color of this mouse pointer also. Make it darker. This is done. Now see, one more option is there, which is a chart book. Many times in one of my sessions, I showed or I just analyzed complete big trade plus list in 1 hour. So that time I used this chart book. Yes, so whatever chart book you want on the chart, you can just tick that. You can just click on it. So as I want maybe big trade list, big trade plus list, and Nifty. So I'll just tick this three, nothing else. Then save and done. Save and done. So I have changed everything or whatever settings needed. I have done all these settings. Now how to open charts? So to open the chart, you just need to double click on any script. You just need to double click on this any script. In one of the sessions I did, Arunji, some of you might be knowing. I will show you what is the difference between big trade and big trade plus for sure. Now see, once you double click on this, double click. Yes, Shomilji was the part of that session. So now see, friends, so once I double click on this ACC, so it gave me this chart. Now see, this is an intraday chart and this is a 0 minute chart. But for candlestick, we need minimum, we need minimum 1 minute chart. That will only give us a open, high, low, close for 1 minute period, and that will give us a candlestick chart. Now how to change this time frame? So click on this window here, or you can just click on this window here, which is change interval, which is here. Now see, this is called as toolbar. Are you all with me? This is called as toolbar. In this toolbar, you have this option for demand, you have this option for supply, you have this entry line, stop loss line, target line, then this change interval window. Yes, so if you just click on this, if you just click on this, now from here you can change the interval. All these numbers are for intraday. I mean, for 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and so on. And all these numbers are for the days. If I just click on this I, and if I just say 15 minutes, so this is the intraday chart of 15 minutes. So each candle representing, or it is giving me data for intraday for just 1 day. If I want more days to explore, then I have this 5D. I can click on this 5D and 15. Now these are the 5 days and 15 minutes chart. 1 2 3 4 5. You can see this, you can check this. These are the day separators. So how the days are separated, these are the day separators. Yes, then next, let's say if you want to explore more chart, or you want more data to analyze, then 30 and 15. So now see, here you will get 30 days data. Here you will get 30 days data. Yes, control I is shortcut. Absolutely yes. Control I is a shortcut for this. So every time I just do this, control I, automatically this window appears on my screen. I will show you, Selvin sir, for sure. How to get the day separator? It is there in the settings window. I will show you. Now see, if you just go to there, click on this, then graph settings, graph settings. Now see, there's the day separator here. Click on this day separator, and you can increase the opacity of this day separator. You can make it lighter, you can make it more darker. Okay, if you want to add a big trade plus list in the chart book, so click on this chart book, and whatever you want, you can add this in your chart book. Big trade list, big trade plus list, ETF, Nifty, Nifty 100, and so on. So when the changes made, click on the save button. Okay. Yes. Now see, if you want more data, so maximum data what Sherkhan gives you or Sherkhan provides is 90 days. 90 days, 15-minute data. So this is the maximum data you can get from the Trade Tiger. Yes. So please also show how to save indicators when. Absolutely yes. I will show you. So everybody understood now how to open chart. Yes. Now see, once the chart is open, now next what you can do is right click, and here you have few options like change script, load local data. Load local data is important when see the maximum data Shirkan gives you 90 days is for 90 days. But let's say if you are using same system for analyzing your script, and if you are login into the same trade tiger on the same system, so system saves some data. Yes, and that gives you more data. You can access more number of days, not just 90 days. You can access more number of days, so that is called as load local data. This is load local data. Local data simply it means the data which got saved in your computer, in your laptop. That is the local data. Okay, how we separate quarter or year. So Manjuji, now in that case, now see if you click on this change interval window, now see these are the EOD chart in all the platforms. Daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, half yearly and yearly are the EOD charts. So if you just click on this D, it will show you daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, half yearly and yearly. This we cannot change. This is a by default. Okay, yes, I will do. I will explain the chart window for sure. Now see what next. My analysis window, how to activate. I will get back to you, Kalpesh ji. I just need to understand your question. Yes, and Kalpesh ji, if you're really finding some difficulties, how to get the window, you can also take the help from your student support. Scepter, or can we say logarithm? No, it is not logarithm actually. It just gives you, or it just separate the day. Now see on this line, this is today's date. It started from here. It started from here, and the last candle closed here. This is yesterday's candle closed here. So this is a day separator. That's it. Nothing else. Yes, Shiba, even we don't need this tick average line. Tick average line simply it means it will just keep on changing by the price. That is tick average line. Yes, how to merge two charts. So Chandrasekhar Shekharji, here in the straight tiger, we don't have that option. How to merge two charts. Can we increase wick thickness? Absolutely yes, we can increase the wick thickness. So for that, what you can do is just click on this. Now on the left hand side, can you all see this price? It is written there price. Yes, Ashnaji, for sure, will do. I will show you. है ना? Double click on this price. Double click on this price. Then subgraph. From here, you can increase the thickness. Now see, wicks are more thicker. Okay, Arunji, for that option is, so let's say if I have drawn few zones and now I just want to delete everything. Yes, quickly. So control delete is the option for that. That is a shortcut for this. Then click on this. Yes, and see everything is gone. Everything is gone. Okay. If you want to learn more about the shortcuts, go to this market watch. Go to this market watch. Go to this market watch. Here we have this option here, shortcuts. Shortcuts. Yes, and all the shortcuts are there. Just spend some time for reading this shortcut, and next time you can just simply use those shortcuts. That will make life very easy. These are the shortcuts here. Yes, so how to do this? If you have drawn few zones, now let me just do this. Okay, let's say if I have drawn this as my demand, then if I have drawn this as my supply, then I have drawn this free line, then I have drawn this vertical line, then I have drawn this horizontal line. Now I just want to delete everything. No, sir, how one command mistakenly use and undo in the chart? If we escape command, chart will be loosed. Kindly suggest. So Arunji, now let's say if I just want to get rid of this horizontal line. So what one can do is click on this horizontal line and press delete button. It's gone. Again, click on this horizontal line, press delete button, it's gone. Click on this vertical line and then delete button, it's gone. Click on this free line, delete button, it's gone. Click on this supply zone and press delete button, it is also gone. Yes, Shomilji, absolutely yes. Even you, if you want, you can customize the shortcut as you want. How to remove text? Now see if I have wrote anything there. So let's say if I have wrote anything there and if I want to remove this. So again, click on this text and press delete button. It is also gone. Yes, suppose we want again same zone need to recap. So you have to draw it. So there you don't have any option of Control Z or undo or redo. I will show you Sanjay ji for sure. Yes, how to enter text. Then see this is the option here. If you just click on those tools. Now see when you started using these tools or when you start using these tools, so what you can do. See if you're picking this vertical line, it is written here what is the shortcut for this vertical line. If you're picking this horizontal line, the shortcut written here how to use or shortcut for this horizontal line. Same if you want, if I want to pick this text, yes, so shortcut is N for text. Absolutely yes, everything needs practice. Okay, can we put date and a time of zone marking or say entry line? Can we put date and time of zone marking or say entry line? No, Arvind. Yes, Anupamji, you can. You can copy your data from your old computer, new computer. Absolutely, yes, you can do this. So maybe if you are planning to do this in future, take the help of the IT team. They will help you how to get this data. Mosinji, not in this class. Maybe sometime later I will teach you how to use this extension or Fibonacci. Not in this class. Okay. Now see, what else? Now everybody knows how to zoom and zoom in and zoom out. Zoom in and zoom out. I will show you, Pratikji, how to use this chart box for sure. Ha. So everybody knows how to use the zoom in, zoom out. So what next? Is there anything what I just need to teach you? So you need chart about chart types. You need chart linking, mouse pointer, volume. You need, or you also know how to play this price alert. Study. You know how to add these tools. Ha. So everything you know. Now let's move on and let's say. Yes, Arunji. No problem. So now see how to open multiple chart. Acha, ha, chart template. So friends, how to do this chart template? Someone asked me that if someone wants to add few indicators on the chart. Okay. So let's say if I want to add this average line. So if I just click on this average and let's make it 20 EMA. Okay. Let me just make it 20 EMA. Or if I want to change the color of this. If I want to change the color of this. So you can click on this and you can change the color. If you want apply, if you want to apply same color for both the chart, what you can do is just click on this and let's say if I apply this for both the lines, for both the lines and then apply. Okay, it is applied. Exponential 20 moving average applied. Okay, again if I want to add, let's say one more moving average, which is exponential 50 moving average. Okay, and if I just want to make this color apply all, and if I choose this as a this green color, okay, and I will also increase the thickness for this and apply. So now see, this is my 50 EMA, 50 exponential moving average. Okay, everybody please pay attention here. Now if I just, or maybe if you want to add this basic candle indicator also, so right click, go to study, add study. How to get this window quickly? S is the shortcut for this. Then B is a shortcut for basic candle indicator. Click on this and apply. Now all the candles, base candles turned blue. All the base candles turned blue. Or now see, if you want to add this DATR also on your chart, so this is also applied here. So whatever you want, whatever indicators, anything of your choice, of your choice, yes, add this on the chart first. Then next, right click, go to this chart option here. There is the option which says save chart template. Click on the save chart template and give any name to this template. So maybe let me just give this name indicators. Okay, and then save. Once done, now whenever you open chart, okay, now let's say if I open this chart ACC once again, I just want to load the same template. Now how to load that template here? So right click, go to chart and click on this load chart template. Okay, it is there. All of you can see this option now. All of you can see the option here. Now just double click on this. So by default it load my template. Now this chart has 20 EMA, this chart has 50 EMA, this chart has DATR, this chart has blue screen, everything. Now if we save it as default, absolutely yes, you can save it as a default also, for sure. Any script. Now let's say double click on ultra cement. Okay, ultra cement. So now if I just double click on this ultra cement, now this is cement here, ultra cement here. Control G is the shortcut for that. Go to chart and see, read here. Control Shift G is the shortcut for this. Sorry, chart types, and for load it is Control G, huh? Not Control Shift G, Control G. Click on this. Click on this. Now see, it is there. Okay. Now see, if you just want to make it by default, every time when you double click on any chart, it should give you same template. So for that, go to settings, go to graph settings. Yes. Then here you have this option here in the general settings. Can you all see this option here? Default template. Default template. Yes. Click on this default template. It will give you this window. Just find your template, what you have saved. Yes. Click on that template, open and save. Now next time onwards, just double click on any script. Automatically, it will give you this template. See, automatically. Just double click on any script. Tata Power. So automatically it will give you this script. Yes, it is by default now. It is by default now. Done. Yes. So let me just remove the settings quickly. Graph settings. If I just want to unremove this, undo this. So I will come here, click on this default template and save. Now this is again normal. How to add this blue candle indicator? I will show you once again. So bring this window here. From this drop down key, find this option basing candle and apply. Okay. How to get this DATR? Bring this study window. From here, choose this DATR and apply. You will get this DATR. Okay. How to open chart of script which is not in the market watch? Right click and chart of your choice, maybe rallies. Now this stock is not there in the market watch. So if you just write down here rallies, click on this rallies and apply. So it will give you a chart for rallies India. Yes, I'm coming there. How to load multiple charts? So Dheeraj ji, now what I showed, this will help you. This will save your time. So just load your template. First save your template and just make it by default template. So every time when you double click on the chart, it will automatically give you default template. No need. Giridharji. So as I showed you this, now see, already have saved that template. So right click, go to chart, click on this load chart template and indicators. So now see, this is automatically loaded. I have this DATR, I have this 10 moving average, I have, sorry, 20 moving average, I have this 50 EMA on my chart. Yes, done. No, Rakshitji, that we don't have here in the Straight Tiger. But yes, if you want to compare, you can open multiple charts. You can keep the charts, both the charts side by side, and you can compare. Now, how to open multiple charts? So for that, we know how to open chart. Just simply double click on any script. This will give you one chart here. Press Control button of your keyboard. Double click. This will give you second chart here. Yes, arrange as you want. Hiranji, that will be difficult in this class, but maybe in next class I will show you how to take type 1, type 2, and type 3. Yes, I am showing you that, Dheeraj. Now, what does this mean by chart linking? Okay, now see, this is a daily chart here, and so let me just keep it here. Then I will just make it 75 minute. Now it is 75 minute. Okay, then again press Control button of your keyboard and double click on this script and bring it here as you want to save. So I'll just keep it here. Okay, and I just want to make it a 15-minute time frame chart. 90 days, 15 minute. Yes. Why is this not happening, Anandji? Because see, on my chart, can you all see this option here? Bid and ask panel. It is there on my chart. Yes. So this way, friends, this way you can open 10 multiple charts. 10 multiple charts. Yes. Can we save all charts at a time? Absolutely yes, Sunalji. Now for that, now once we did this, okay, mostly we use 3 time frames. So I use settings like this, slightly here, and this is slightly here. Okay, so this is daily 75 minute and this. So mostly I use this. Now see, all these are Nifty chart. Okay, so see, friends, right click, go to chart linking. Now what is the use of the chart linking? Now, if I click on this none and if I just select this Reliance, so it will just change this one chart Reliance, not this, not this. It will change only one chart Reliance. It's a 15-minute chart. So that is the reason I just want to check different time frames for same script. So I will click on this chart linking and I will click on this script option. So once I click on the script option, it will give or it will change everything now. So if I click on this sale, it will change all the charts. Now this is a daily chart of sale. This is a daily chart of, sorry, 75-minute chart of sale, and this is a 15-minute chart of sale. So if I click on the State Bank of India, so all the charts will change, State Bank of India. And whatever zones we have drawn on the lower time frame chart, that will replicate on the high time frame chart. Whatever zones we have drawn on the high time frame chart, that will replicate on the lower time frame chart. Everything is possible. Yes. Now see this. What is the use of the chart book? Yes, many of you asked me what is the use of this chart book. So use of this chart book is, now see this. When you click on this drop down key, okay, you will get that option of chart book. Yes. Now all of you can see this book here. Everybody, all of you can see this book here. Click on this book. Then there's the option here, predefined market watch. Predefined market watch. Yes. Then here, click on this big trade plus list. Big trade plus list. Now how it will help you? to analyze quickly. So it is this. So in ACC, I got the supply zone. I will mark this as supply zone. I will check where it is located on the high time frame chart daily. Oh, it is near to my daily time frame demand zone. I will do nothing. Click on this next. Select this Adani Enterprises. Today, Adani Enterprises was up by 25%. So I don't want to sell this stock now. I am most bullish in this stock. So right now I see a demand formation there. So maybe yes, I can keep this level on radar for tomorrow. Yes, this is my demand zone here. Trend is positive. Click on this next button, Adani board. So this is how you can use this chart book. Are you all with me? Got it? Yes. So Sunilji, now this is one script Adani port. Okay. Now if I want to analyze this Adani port, and once I have done this analysis, what I will do, I'll just click on this next button. Correct. If I just click on this next button, so automatically it will give me next chart. So this is a different script, Amaraja battery. Yes. So now see, if I click on this next button, it will give me Ambuja cement. This is how we can change the script. If you want to save this layout, okay, this is a layout what we created. If you want to save this layout, now how to save this layout? So for that, click on this home tab. Click on this home tab. Can we create our chart book? That is a good question. I just need to check that if we can create our own chart book, because see what option it gives. If you just click on here, then here, this option it gives saved market watch. So see this option here, saved market watch. So see, I have one market watch. I have one market watch which is saved by the name investment. If I just click on this investment, so all these are the stocks which I chose for the long term investment. So I have 7 stocks there. So this is Infosys. So again, I will just click on this next, then Reliance, then next State Bank of India, next Tech Mahindra. Yes, so we can also create our own chart book. No, Deepak ji, not yet. Now, how to save this layout? Acha, Deval ji, now see why you are getting this NAC, BAC, and NFO, because just right click on the chart. Okay, right click on the chart, and there you will see. Just a minute. Cancel. No. Huh. Hmm. So right click, chart linking, and maybe if you check, it is this exchange is selected by default. Devalji, click on the script. Click on this script. Acha, done. Yes, Dheeraj, I will check. Give me a minute. Yes, how to open multiple charts? So press or double click on any script. Pardhaji, Giridharji, double. Then press Control button of your keyboard and double. Again, press Control button of your keyboard. Double click on the same script. So it will give you multiple charts. So this way you can open 10 charts simultaneously. N number of indicators, Kaustubji. How to change VWAP settings? I just need to check that, Abdulji. Mostly we don't use this VWAP. If I'm not wrong, you're talking about volume average price, correct? Yes. So Kushalji, now see, just load your template. Okay, let me just save this template first. Now, how to save the template? Go to this home button, click on this save button, and by whatever name you want to save this template, let me just write down the name here, Nifty. Okay, and if I save this, so next time, whenever you want to load this market watch or those load this layout, simply click on this home. From this drop down key, select your layout, which is this Nifty, and from here, click on this load. Click on this load. So it loaded. Now if I want to customize my this layout, so Kunalji, what one can do is just whatever changes you want to have on this 3 chart, you can do that. So let's say if I want to add this blue candle indicator here, if I want to add this DATR here, so once done, again go there home and click on the save button. Same name Nifty, rename it or just replace it. Save. So it got replaced. So next time when I just click on this home and Nifty and load, so it will give me the new layout which I replaced with the older one. Ha. For option trading, multiple orders, option trading. Okay, will do. So Sajanji, automatically it gets saved. You don't have to do anything. Automatically it will get saved. How can I save file on screen like presently showing Bigted plus list? So Sunilji, what I did here, I just bring this predefined script list from here, from this market watch. And then later I brought this charts on my screen and then I saved it as a layout. Yes, what is the big trade and big trade plus order? So Anupji, now big difference between big trade plus and only big trade is the exposure you are getting. You are getting more exposure in big trade plus, less exposure in big trade. In big trade, you're getting an exposure of only 5 times, which means if you have 1 lakh rupees, so you can trade for only 5 lakh rupees. But in big trade plus, you get the exposure of 30 times, 40 times. That depends on the stock volatility. So which means with 1 lakh rupees, you can trade for 30 lakhs to 40 lakhs. Okay, yes. How to load 5-minute chart beyond the 90 days? So Devalji, now let's say if you are using the same trade tiger since many days, yes, more than 90 days. So there what you can do is click on this 5-minute, then right click and click on this local data. So it will give you data more than 90 days. If not, it will not give you. So load local data is useful when you are using the same system for analyzing. So automatically that data got saved there. Right click, load local data. That is it. Yes. What next? 3 charts in 1 click. How to do? So Dhirendraji, now for that, first you need to first time. Okay, first time you just need to do this. So bring this big ted plus list, then click on any script. Okay, so let me just bring this one script here. Sorry, one chart here. Then again, just press the control button, double click on the script, second chart, then one more time, double script, third chart. Arrange as you want. Arrange as you want. So just drag it and keep it here. Then drag this one and bring it here. Keep it here as you want. Change the time frames as you want. If you are a monthly income trader, different time frames. If you are daily income trader, different time frames. Weekly income trader, different time frames. This is daily, this is 75, and this is 15-minute. So once this is done, then go to this home tab, click on this save layout option here. See this my mouse cursor, click on this save and save this layout by any name you want. So once this is done, so next time simply you need to do this, go to home, click on this drop down key, find your layout, click on that layout and click on this load button. It will load this layout. No need to do anything, Pardaji. Just keep pressing this control button of your keyboard, left hand side control button, and double click on the script. It will work. Okay. How many studies can be plotted on the chart? N number of studies. Yes, I can add this band Bollinger. I can add this rate of percentage. Not N number of. Sorry, I think now 5 or 10 studies we can add. Stochastics. So RSI. Then uh, what else? Donian channel. What else? Elder Ray Bull Power. What else? Gan Hilo. Ha. So further studies cannot be added. So how many studies I have added here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, 7. 7 studies I have added here. So I think that is the maximum limit. Krishna ji? Yes. 9. I have added 9. Oh, thanks, Vinod ji. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Ha, D10 basic handle. Oh, I forgot that. Correct. I added 9. Yes. I want to know how to save selected scripts like BigTed Plus, that is different folders, and to be seen besides BigTed Plus. I want to know how to save selected script like BigTed Plus, there is different folder, and to be seen besides BigTed Plus. I did not get your question, Sunilji. Rakshitji, which Ignite tab? Which Ignite tab? And which one hide and unhide? Is it there? If I just right click there, where is this hide and unhide? Acha, it is there in studies. Acha, hide and unhide studies. So whatever studies you have added there on the chart. So let's say if I add this basing handle, DATR, or average, yes, right click, go to study, and if I just click on this hide and unhide, let's say if I want to hide DATR, okay, and the average, and apply, so it will hide that. That is hide and unhide. Yes, zoom in and zoom out. So see, you can use this minus and plus button or mouse scroll key. So this is how you can zoom out. This is how you can zoom in. Plus and minus button. Yes. So now we can see BigTed Plus on screen. Same way I want to see my select script. So Sunil ji, again, see, go to this market watch, go to this load button, and here I have created one investment or this market watch. So if I click on investment, it is giving me. Now this is my BigTed Plus list. This is my investment list. If I click on this market watch, if I click on this NSC, I can also click on this Nifty. I can click on this Nifty. Yes, Ignite tab. Yes, so see in this Ignite tab, we have this personal trading plan. Though we don't use this personal trading plan, you know how to create one personal trading plan. You might have attended that session. Then portion size planner. This is from here. You can decide what risk you want to take for your trade. So from here you can decide that. Order window is not important for us. Control trades again is not for us. This all these things are not for us. Then we have this decision support tool. So in this we have few options like Ignite trading ideas, Ignite level watch. So if you just click on this level watch, see yesterday I have updated this level yesterday, and this trade I took in my personal account also. So LNT, if I just double click on this LNT, I updated this level yesterday around see 10:49. So early in the morning I got the entry, I took this trade, I enjoyed 3 is to 1. ICICI potential, I took this long trade ICICI potential. See this level marked there. Drop based alley, I took this trade. I enjoyed this profit. DLF, I shorted. So see this DLF zone created yesterday. I took this trade early in the morning. So this is ignite time. Yes, HID is not in my TT. So just take the help of trade tiger. I mean IT team. They will help you. Yes. So with that, friends, I think I just wanted to cover order part also. Yes, how to place order. Yes, but right now I'm just running out of time. It is already 6:30. I cannot extend session more. So what we will do, we will keep one more session on orders. Okay. Yes. I have asked 4 times for orders. Huh, absolutely yes, Swadeji. I agree. Or maybe if you want this, I will just give you quickly this. Okay, so I just planned one long trade in this also Maruti industry. So now let me just show you how to do this. So let's say now this is my order here, or my demand zone here. So what I will do, I'll just place my entry line here. I will place my stop loss line here, and then I will place my target line here. So once this is done, I will just simply double click on this entry line and stop loss line. Okay, automatically it gives me this window, and even you can place order right now. This is off market order. System will accept your order. You can place your order. So simply you just need to do this, place this order in the system, place and confirm. So right now it is not accepting my order. It will accept my order after 7:30. That is the time. So try to place this order after 7:30. Swatiji. And if you're getting any difficulties for placing order, anytime you can call your support mentor. Support executive. Your support team executive will help you. Yes, Dhirendraji, I will teach you that in the next session because already time is 6:30. I cannot extend the session more. So in the next session, I will take all these queries. Thank you very much, Jaganji. Thanks a lot. When is the next session happening? So mostly I will plan this session. Um, so Tuesday, 1st September, I am busy. 8th September, I will plan this session on 8th September. Thank you very much, Skanda Kumarji. Thanks a lot. So with that, friends, we'll stop here. So we'll see you again in the next session. Please take us one more session on order. Absolutely yes, Akshay. Definitely yes, will do. So I think I answered all the question. Yes, if something is left, friend, that was not intentionally. If I missed any question that was not intentionally, I will take those questions in the next class, in the next session. Done. We'll do this, Surendraji. Thank you very much, Kushalji. Thanks a lot. So thank you very much, friends, to everyone. We'll stop here. See you again. Have a great day. Thank you. Amardeep ji, yes, it is.